or further north, dito din po kayo dadaan going to Caribeo. So dire-diretso lang po tayo, then we will exit at the Tambo exit in Lipa. So from Tanawan, probably around 30 minutes ang travel time po natin. And if you're coming from Metro Manila, ang estimates natin yan is around 1 hour and a half na travel if you will be going through the South Luzon Expressway. Entered Lipa City via the Tambo exit of the Star Tollway. So kung kakanan ka dito, kung kakaliwa ka dito, you will go further south of Batangas. That is Batangas City, Cuenca, Rosario. Yan. Then kakanan po tayo here. Dumiretso po tayo dyan, we'll reach the Lipa town proper. So dito sa kaliwa ko, nandyan na ang De La Salle Lipa. If you're planning to enroll your kids in De La Salle, so we have De La Salle here, diba? Then pag dumiretso po tayo dyan, nandyan po yung palengke ng Lipa, then Carmel Shrine, mistaken. So dito again sa kaliwa ko, nandyan yung Ayala Highway, nandyan yung mga major commercial establishments natin. Nandyan yung Robinsons, Lipa, Big Ben, and SM City Lipa. Then kakanan tayo here sa Altamirano Street. Landmark natin dyan is this currently being constructed condominium, that is Sierra Lorenzo. Binabaybay po natin is Lipa Ibaan Road. So pag diniretso po natin dyan, ang labas po natin is the town of Ibaan, Batangas. So we're currently in Barangay Mabini,